In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the actual best offer price on sold items on eBay. If you've ever wondered how to uncover the price that an item actually sold for when a best offer is accepted, then you're in the right place. This technique is perfect for anyone keen on getting an edge in the eBay marketplace, whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out. Let's dive right in and explore this simple yet powerful method. To get started, open your web browser and head over to 130point.com sales. This website is a fantastic tool for anyone involved in buying or selling on eBay, as it allows you to access detailed sales data that might not be readily visible on eBay's own platform. Once the page loads, you'll notice a variety of options that can help refine your search. But first, you need to ensure you're in the right section, so go ahead and click on the Search eBay Sales tab from the menu. This will take you to the specific area where we can dig deeper into the sales data. Now, as you scroll down, keep an eye out for a series of text boxes that appear. These boxes are your gateway to the specific items you're interested in researching. What you need to do here is type in the name of the item or some relevant keywords. Make sure your keywords are specific enough to yield meaningful results, but broad enough to capture all potential matches. Think about what potential buyers might search for when looking for this item. With your keywords entered, it's time to refine your search parameters. To do this, adjust the filters to focus on sold items. This ensures that your search results only include listings that successfully ended with a sale. Selecting all categories will widen your search and capture any sales related to your item across the entire marketplace. You can then prioritize how these results are sorted by choosing most recent sales or highest price, depending on what suits your needs best. Once you've set your filters, go ahead and click on the Submit button. After a brief moment, you'll start to see the data populate. Scroll down to view the results that appear on your screen. What's key here is that you're not just looking at asking prices or initial bids. These are actual final sales prices. You'll see each item listed, along with the best offer that was accepted. By utilizing this method, you gain insights into the true market value of items within your niche. This knowledge not only helps you price your own items more effectively, but also empowers you to make informed decisions in any purchasing or selling strategies you undertake. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to uncover the actual best offer prices on eBay. Remember to use these insights wisely and adapt your strategies for the best results. Thanks for watching and happy selling.